following information has been disclosed. A malicious malware has infected the code of a popular video game named Minecraft. The embedded code of the game has been hacked by unknown suspects using bait to sneak a program into a Minecraft world. The program is named Nelak78 and takes the form of player. If this player is in your world, it's too late. Run, hide, or fight back.